Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change email in Expedia. So here I'm going to teach you today in today's video. I'm going to teach you how to change your email or Gmail, Google Mail here in Expedia. Change your email in Expedia. All you need to do is open up your Expedia. So once your Expedia is open up, the next thing I want you to do to change your email right here is all you need to do is click on your account on the bottom right corner right here. After pressing on your account on the bottom right corner right there, next step is for you to go down till you see your settings right here, settings and security and settings. And here, as you can see right here, we're signing into our email. This is our email right here. All we need to just press on that right there. After pressing right there, now it wants us to confirm our email. So I'll see you guys in a minute to confirm my email. And there you go, guys. We just entered our code right there. As you can see, we'll have how to wait. Now it's loading our profile right here. There you go. As you can see right now, email. Here's our email right here. Current email right here, and update email. So make sure you enter an email that isn't already in use. Use the new email to sign in next time. So there you go. All you need to do is now type in the new email and re-enter the new email. Then after doing that, press on the update email right here. Then about that, there you go. Your email will be changed here at Expedia. So yeah. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.